Alright guys, so I'm out here at my local field and I'm flying the Cessna and I just got 2 great flights on it. Now my maiden flight did not go so well, so I'll put that in here. Okay, take it off. Oh yeah, she's nice. Andrew, step back just a little bit, sweetie. There you go. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
There's a
I'm dead stick.
Serious?
Yeah. I have no throttle. Oh, there, no, I have it.
You got a voltage issue?
Let's see.
Bring it in. Don't mess around.
I thought it was. Maybe it was
Now,
just my imagination.
there is a brown spot over by first base.
Okay.
And a few people have hit it and a few people have walked past it. So
what receiver do you have in it?
Okay, I'm dead again.
Okay, just. You're okay, you're okay.
There we go.
Yeah, you're hitting that brown spot, brother.
Okay. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay. Okay, I'm landing.
Good recovery, man. Good recovery.
Ooh, I thought it was.
You're recording, so I can't say it out loud, but nice job.
I thought it was. So obviously there were some problems with my maiden flight. I had about 4 or 5 cutouts over 2 flights, so I put it down on the ground and everything was good. That was a faulty Lemon RX. Now I've run about 20 plus Lemons and never had a problem. So my buddy actually sold me his RX from his Cessna because he's a Tyrannus guy, but he was flying his with Spectrum. Anyway, I've had a couple good flights, so I'll go ahead and show you guys this next one. So after that maiden flight, this is such a welcomed refresh from having such a crazy experience. Bring it low and slow here, right by my face. That was more of like a hit and go. That was not a touch and go. Yeah, it's a good one. I'm gonna keep this one. Well, I you know, since I had 6S batteries, I'm like, I gotta have one other airplane to fly with it, you know?
Yeah, and that's just a nice relaxing.
Yeah, and you can make it all 3D and everything if you really wanted to, you know?
good at that, you're gonna find another hobby.
I know. I'm probably gonna take off again. I've got a lot of battery left still.
Dude,